Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I want to share a program with you called Techsmith Capture, formerly known as Jing. Now, this program has been around for a long time, but Techsmith Capture is actually fairly new, and they made numerous improvements on it. So what this program will do, will let you take screenshots and video of your computer screen and send them anywhere in the world in a matter of seconds. Now, so that's done. So what you do is you go ahead and download this. You set up your account with name, password. You get 2 gigabytes of storage and 2 gigabytes of data. So once it's installed, let's go and actually, I'll tell you something that happened here. I had one of my friends from Australia just bought Vegas Pro 18 and was having a problem with it. He's trying to explain the problem to me in text and had no idea what he was talking about. So I told him with this program. He installed it. In a matter of minutes, he sent me a link of a screen capture. I knew exactly what was wrong and told me it was normal. It's just normal for Vegas Pro to do that. So let's do a capture here. So once it's installed, you'll get this little box like here. So to do a capture, you can capture the whole region or just a small area. So we're just going to capture just a region. Just like, you know, have capture an image or capture video. So here we're going to capture video, and you can have your audio from your mic or system audio enabled as well. So let's do a quick capture here. Say a person is trying to fade out all three of these clips at the same time. So click on record. It's going to count down. Once it's recording, it said, "Hi Ron, I'm having a problem fading out these clips at the same time. I can't figure out how to do it." It's no problem. So I'd send them one back. Just saying, hold the control key down, highlight each clip, and fade them. Oops. They have to be all highlighted. And then fade them all at once. And what you do is stop it. Here's the video here. Upload the screencast. The file is being uploaded. What you'll have is a shareable link right here. Shareable link. Now this program is 100% free. I get nothing for this. It's 100% free. It's going to make diagnosing problems with your computer extremely easy. Trust me, extremely easy. So once you get that, go to your chat site or email. We're doing email here. Just paste it in, put the recipient's name, send it, and in a matter of seconds you'll get it. Click on the link and instantly be brought back to the video you made so you can diagnose the problem. And this will work excellent with tech support. Anytime you have a computer problem, don't just rely on an image capture. Show and tell what's going on. So I just want to pass along this tip. This is a 100% free program. I get $0 for promoting it. I just promote it because I believe in it, and it makes my life way easier diagnosing problems. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.